Jenny's RC, I was able to put a new spectrum stuff. I need a new servo though. But doing this through Jenny's, it was only like a little over $100 or so. It should be bulletproof again, but that's what I did to it. I put the 150 amp servo, 150 amp ESC and the 2050 motor. I had to do quite a bit to make a new faceplate down there. It was tricky actually to mount the ESC, putting that plate down there to mount it somewhere, but it worked. I had to take the old servo out, put a new one in, a DX5, so I can put DX5C hooked up to it. But I think I'm gonna replace the servo. It's getting kind of weird, getting wobbly. I gotta cut this off. I'm only gonna run it on 4S. I will never run it on 6S. There's absolutely no reason to. And so I'll get the wires all done and stuff over. Anyway, it's got aluminum hubs. I did front and all four corners. You can see inside there, the inside and outside. Blue on it. I think I got some green on it. I'm just putting all the different colors I can put on it. Dang nabbit. I would have had to park the car right there. There's no brake. I keep trying. There's no air control. Oh. Oh. I need that brake. Off a new that's good. New stuff, new gears, so it's I gotta still do some steering stuff here. But this Maxx, the Mini Maxx hasn't been around for quite some time now. Oh, and I got no reverse. So we gotta do anything with the ESC. So I need decent steering. I can't steer it very well. Yeah, it's really hard to turn. Oh, god dang it. I keep wanting to hit the brake. Dang. I gotta do that first thing. Get the brakes put back on it. Maybe not. I just don't have brakes. Yeah. Damn it. Dang it. Shouldn't have to if you did it right. You know what I mean? You really shouldn't have to use air control. Oh, it is warm. Oh, it is warm. Not hot or nothing, but it's 120 or so, I think. Maybe 130. It's getting up there. Huh. I guess I'm gonna have to put a fan on it. I didn't think I'd have to. But I did have to put on had to put on a bigger spur or a pinion gear because the room isn't enough to get the gear back. Oh, I didn't see you over there. I didn't see you.